Hey, Seeker Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. I'm in Virginia at the moment when I'm editing the video that you're about to see, which I filmed in late August in upstate New York, where I was visiting my friend Victoria, whom I met in Arizona a few years back. And kind of interesting, we're out touring a couple of state parks near Ithaca, New York, which was my old stomping grounds-ish. I used to live not far from there in the mid-late 80s, so I was pretty familiar with some of the places we were going. We visited Robert Tremond State Park so that we could hike down and have a look at Lucifer Falls. We got to see the old grist mill there. We went to Buttermilk Falls State Park, had a walk through downtown Ithaca on our way to have a lovely dinner, and then topped off the end of the afternoon with a little police presence as we're trying to get out of Ithaca. So, as always, thanks so much for coming along. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. And if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. If you think you are, double check to make sure. As always, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, do all the stuff. All right, we're going to roll the intro and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks for being here. Yeah.
So to me, that's powerful.
Very. And that's always a special kind of situation. Do you know what the names of the rivers are?
These here?
Mm-hmm.
No. We would
Okay.
have to look that up.
That's fine.
I used to.
That looks like a piece of concrete that used to serve some kind of purpose with the metal plate in the middle of it.
Yep. A bridge building maybe before this bridge was built.
Maybe. Certainly is lovely and very peaceful.
Yes, it is.
Really lovely in the shade. All right, let's go take a walk. Okay, here's an interesting sign. Trails are for pedestrian use only. So, no lizards, no rabbits, no chickens.
What about dogs?
Good thing he's not a dog. You're not a dog, are you, Kit? You're not a dog. Caution. These trails are steep and strenuous with numerous stairs. There are many ups and downs. Hot or cold weather can add to the intensity. Bring an adequate amount of water with you, 1 liter per hour. We brought none. People with pre-existing medical conditions, limited stamina, and or women who are pregnant should use caution before attempting to hike. Use of strollers is practically impossible. Thank you. Come here, Kit.
Just saying.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, he's seeing another puppy. Did he see him yet? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Good morning. Kit, not everybody wants to be your friend.
She's not always nice.
He's always nice to other dogs, just not to people. And not everybody wants to be your friend, Kit. Okay, we are going to check out Lucifer Falls today. We are in Robert Tremond, right?
Robert Tremond Park, and also referred to as Enfield Glen.
Huh, I don't think I ever knew that. And I have been here before, but man, it's been a long time. 30 plus years. Good morning.
Morning.
Leave it, Kit. Not everybody wants to be your friend. I keep trying to tell you, dude. Look at this, guys. Just look at it. Just look at it. Let's get out of the way for a minute. Look at that. Man, hope that doesn't fall anytime soon. Okay, guys. The Ithaca area really is gorgeous. Lots of gorges. And I stopped, so now we're letting a whole bunch of people go by. Oh yeah, check out, can you see the leaves falling? That's beautiful. And you know what? I am now not the least bit disappointed that I didn't do Watkins Glen yesterday. Because this is in ways reminiscent. Yeah. Yeah.
Very similar to that.
Let's just check out the water, guys. Look at that. Man. Then we're going to come down here. It, of course, keeps wanting to be on the other side of me. Let's try this. And just as a reminder, every time you see me spin around in a circle for no good reason, that's why. Look at this, guys. There's a cataract of the good kind. Look at this. Man, I'd like to go swimming right about now. Yes, it does. Check that out. Sorry. Man, look at that. I know, I'm taking like 4 steps and stopping because it's worth it. Okay, so we're seeing the beauty of nature. Oh man, look back there. Just look at that. But we've also got man-made beauty here. That's a beautiful arched bridge. Okay, well, it looks like it kind of ran out of steam here. Very cool. Oh yeah?
There it is. Saw that the other day and I was like, how exciting.
Wow. Hopefully that's showing up. That's pretty cool. Once again, looking back up. Man, this would be an awesome picture hanging in a living room. Right here. Or we can come out and experience in person.
Or both.
Yep. Oh wow.
Following the way that the cut of the boards, you know?
Yeah. And that's going to be quite a drop.
That's the one. That's the least.
Oops, Kit, come on in. Come on in. Good job. So there's quite a few steps, guys. I'm going to spin around deliberately and look back up. This is the second set of steps we're coming down. We've already come down a bunch. And of course, that just means we're going to have to go back up. But I think it's worth it. More kids. Oh, look at this, guys. Just look at it. Look back up there. Wow. Wow. How cool was that? That's another Instagram-worthy pic. This is so gorgeous. Everybody wants to be in the picture. And look at how clear this water is. It's just crystal clear, guys. Man, I want to get in there. I'd be okay with that. Alright, let's see what's around the next corner.
That's when we're done. They were very lenient about letting people swim in all these little pools.
Uh-huh.
So he grew up stomping in this creek in his gorge, and that's why his bench is here.
Well, and I'm sure that...
This is the top of Lucifer right here.
Cool. I'm sure that when he was growing up, there were many fewer lawsuits. And so, you know, we all got to do more things than we get to do now. So we're coming up to the top of Lucifer.
We don't have to go down the next set of steps, but this is the $1 million view that I love right here.
Okay, so we're coming from back up that way. Come on around. Come on around. I'm going to have a little trouble with this, I think, guys. Wait. Over the edge. All the way down. Yeah, we're not going to go all the way down. This is the old mill, in operation from 1839 to 1916. Pretty cool looking building, huh? Oh, and look, here's another waterfall right behind it. Look at this. Just look at it. How cool is that, guys? Love, love, love all the waterfalls and the gorges. The gorges are gorgeous. Yes, they are. So I guess this is where the water wheel used to be. Fishkill Creek. I knew I knew the name of this place. Very cool. Alright, we're going to go upstairs real quick and see what we can see. And then this will be completing our experience at Robert Trimman State Park. That's a cool view, huh? Hear the water? Nice. So I'm guessing this is probably a grist mill. Oh, look at that. Right there. Oh, cool. It had been in the family for, I guess, the entire time. Got some archaeology in the park. We're just going to walk through kind of quick because Kit's out there with Victoria. archaeology, an enduring legacy. The last step, of course, is packing the flour. The chute sends it. Oh yeah, making corn cobs into animal feed. Millstones, look at these. Different finenesses, I'm sure. Oh, and they'll let you go upstairs. That's cool. We've been in other mills before, so we're just going to take a quick peek up here. And we're going to call that the end. Oh, the chill. Thought I was going to be yanking him back. Buttermilk Falls State Park. Buttermilk Falls up there. Oh yeah, that looks familiar now. I recognize that. Okay, and then just in case you were wondering, you are here. All right.
Now, when I was a kid and we used to come up here, they used to let us climb up those falls.
I think even when I lived here, you could climb up the falls. And that's only been like 35 years.
Oh, this is new.
Uh-huh.
About time somebody cracked down.
No dogs allowed in this area?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a service dog.
On duty today? This week?
You're welcome to use swim goggles. If nose is covered while swimming, there's a risk of accidental inhalation of water. Oh, interesting. What if you got a snorkel?
Interesting.
How cool is that? So this one doesn't really require any walking.
Well, unless you want to go up the Gorge. So,
All the way up. Yeah.
it's another gorge.
There, it is another gorge, because it is gorgeous.
Right.
No jumping, half a foot deep. Okay, good to know. And then it kind of peters out down there. Very nice. All right, check this out. Yeah, I know it's steps, but take a look up and up and up. How cool is that? What about this? What about this? They need to clean the gutters though. They've got trees growing out of them.
The color of that tree.
Am I too late? I hope I'm not too late. Look at all that color. Okay, I love the columns. I love the side light on the door. How cool is that? Yeah, it needs a little work, but it's still pretty cool. Look at that. Just look at it. And the lintels. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Wow. This one's for sale. Should we buy it? Downtown Ithaca, we just finished another lovely dinner. What on earth is going on up here? We got some coppers. I don't know. What do you think?
I'm not quite sure.
Drug bust?
Somebody on the curb is being approached.
Doesn't look like they've been kicked to the curb. So that's good.
3 police cars.
And the road's now blocked.
Yeah, that's why we're going left instead of the way we wanted to go.
We wanted to go straight, yeah. And we got a cop talking to this guy in the green shirt. And a couple more standing by looking on. Nothing to see there.